The Jumper J1 2-in-1 laptop offers an impressive blend of flexibility and performance wrapped in a sleek 16-inch convertible design. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this laptop in the description below at the latest price. Featuring a vibrant IPS FHD touchscreen with a 360-degree hinge, this device easily switches between laptop, tablet, tent, and stand modes, adapting effortlessly to your work or entertainment needs. The large 16GB DDR4 RAM ensures smooth multitasking and speedy operation, while the generous 640GB storage combines a 512GB SSD and 128GB eMMC, offering ample space with room for future upgrades. Security is enhanced through a built-in fingerprint reader, enabling quick and secure access without the hassle of passwords. The backlit keyboard adds to usability, providing comfortable typing even in dim environments. Under the hood, the Intel Celeron N5095 processor powers daily tasks efficiently, backed by a smart cooling system to maintain performance during extended use. The device also supports Wi-Fi 6 technology, delivering fast and stable internet connectivity. This laptop is perfect for students, professionals, and casual users who need a device that can keep up with their dynamic lifestyles. The dual memory card slots add extra versatility for media management and file transfers. Its lightweight and slim profile make it easy to carry, enhancing portability for users on the go. Battery life is solid, with a 53.2 Wh capacity supporting extended usage between charges. Additionally, Windows 11 Home provides a modern, user-friendly interface optimized for both touch and traditional inputs. The integrated graphics ensure smooth video playback and casual gaming experiences. Overall, the Jumper J1 is a balanced option combining style, power, and practicality in one compact package designed to fit seamlessly into any daily routine.